Hello everyone, Prutika Patel from Samarpan Gnyan School. Today we are going to complete our last topic of class 10th Social Science Economics, chapter number 3, Money and Credit. Before we come up to the last topic, let's revise what we have done. We have started our chapter with money and credit, where we understood the barter system. Here the goods are being exchanged for the other goods without the involvement of money. But this system had few limitations. You can see those limitations. We have already discussed this. Then the money was invented as the medium of exchange, whereas we also saw the advantages of money. It removes the coincidences of wants, and also it requires very less storage. Like we can see the older forms of money and the modern forms of money, the physical money and the modern money. We can also see that the Reserve Bank of India is the only authorized body who can issue the currency notes. Next is the other forms of money, that is demand deposits, check, and we also saw that the cash is reserved with the bank. Then we came with the bank's loan activity, that is we understood the next topic, that is credit, and also the terms of credit. What are the terms of credit? We have already discussed in our previous video. Here we have also seen the importance of the credit for the farmers in the rural areas, and also the sources of credit. There are the two sources of the credit, formal and informal sources. Formal sources are more trustworthy than the informal sources. We can see that it is supervised by the Reserve Bank of India, and it has to follow the certain rules and regulation, whereas the informal sources, there is no supervisor, and also they do not follow any rules and regulations. We have also seen that most of the people, poor people, they borrow credit from the informal sources, and so it can be said that only the richer people are served from the formal sources. So why are not poor people being served? So here is the answer to the question. Collateral security is not available with them. Also the banks are not available in the rural areas. Also the banks don't find them credit worthy, that they won't be able to pay the credit, and also they are ignorant, and they find it difficult to provide the documents needed by the formal sources of the credit. So here we are going to start with the next and the last topic of the chapter, that is the self-help group. Here we will understand that the self-help group is the new and modern recent phenomena. Here it comprises of 10 to 20 members, mostly the women of the neighborhoods. Each member contributes some money. Whatever savings they have, they contribute here. The members can get small amount as the loan from the group. The rate of interest is also very low, and it is decided by the members themselves. And after 2 years, after becoming the member, the group can in the group the person can get the loan from the bank. They can also get the loan from the bank. Then what is the importance of the SHG groups? The importance of the SHG group: members can get the loans at very low rate of interest. Is the first benefit of the SHG groups. Groups will encourage the members to find the self-employment. They can also get self-employed. Members can discuss and act on the many social issues like health, nutrition, and domestic violence, and bank will give up to SHG group without any collateral, as they are the members. After becoming the member of SHG groups, after 2 years they can get loan from the bank without any collateral. So here the arrangement from the loans through the self-help group is also known as the microfinance, because this small amount of loan is involved. Here it is also known as microfinance. It was the Grameen Bank of Bangladesh which became experimenting with the microfinance. Who started this? Who experimented? The Grameen Bank of Bangladesh. The founder of the Grameen Bank, Muhammad Yunus, was conferred with the Nobel Prize in 2006 for his efforts at improving lots of poor people. SHG groups have really helped immensely in reducing the influence of the informal lenders in the rural area. Many big houses are also promoting SHG groups at places in India. So here we come up with the end of this chapter and this topic. So all the best, study well. Thank you everyone. See you with the another lesson.